This 2025 Airstream Globetrotter 27FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 28 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, oven, TV, water heater, stovetop burner, skylight, awning, air conditioning, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream Globetrotter 27FB is 6,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.